Okay, so here today I'm going to get right into it. This is a tutorial on how to solve the F2L, the first two layers of your Rubik's Cube, in one go instead of in two goes. Let's put some music on. Okay, it's a bit bassy. It's a bit better. Okay, so basically we are solving the F2L, first two layers of our Rubik's Cube, in one go instead of in two goes. So I'm going to get right in, different part for each case. So the first case I'm going to show you is this case, which is if the basically first thing you need to know is this top face is our workspace. No matter how we turn it, it doesn't disturb the F2L, the first two layers. Okay, so what we need to look for is a piece that needs to go in on the top layer. We have one here. Okay, it's the white, green, orange. So we put it in the white, green, orange corner, and then we look at where the white sticker is facing. That's what we do. The white sticker is facing upwards. So the case where the white sticker is facing upwards is we look for the other piece that needs to go with it to make the F2L pair, which is this. The orange green, which needs to go in the orange green with the orange green white. So in this case we flip the orange and green piece so that it's corresponding here with the orange. Then we turn it away from, whereas in the other one you'd want to put it there, you want to put it there so that it's away. So you basically just turn it away so that you're disturbing the cross, and then you bring that around the corner that goes with it as many times as you have to turn the up face until it matches here. Then we take it out and refix the cross, and we have an F2L pair. This F2L pair, we just take it away, open the slot, put it in, close the slot, and that is one of the F2L cases you need to learn. Next F2L case is this one, where the white sticker is on the right hand side, and the other piece that needs to go with it, this edge piece, the two colours on the top when they're in the top face are different. Okay, basically where we need to put it then is we need to match these two together. So when the sticker is on the right and the two colours are different, it needs to go in the back. It's as simple as that. This piece that goes with that piece needs to be in this position here, where when the two colours on the top are different, all you have to do is, well, these are put together when the colours are different. All we do is turn it in, or actually what we do first is match them up. So this is in the right corner. We open the slot, which at the same time makes the F2L pair. Then we slip it in and close the slot, and there's your F2L done. Next case is where the white sticker is on the right like before, but the two colours on the top of the F2L pair are different. So it's corresponding in the same place it was before when it was on the right, but when you put them together, right there, I'll at least put it into the right slot. When you put it in, this colour is in the wrong position, it's flipped the wrong way. So in order to solve this, we need this piece, which would be in the back normally, in the opposite position. We need it here. So it's pretty intuitive. It's there, and then open the slot and put it in. In the case where you have already solved your F2L, and this would be the last case, to get it in there, what you need to do is take this corner piece opposite to where it needs to go and turn it away. Then you can turn this like that twice and bring it up so you have the F2L pair, and that wouldn't have disturbed anything else you'd done to the original F2L. Okay, so yeah, if you do that when the rest of your F2Ls are done and you need to do that one, it will solve this and it won't ruin the rest of your F2L. Next F2L case is this one, where the colour is at the front again, but the two top colours, just like last time, are different. No, are the same, sorry. They're not different like they were before. Basically, you do exactly what you did last time, okay? Where you need to put it opposite. So, if you just do an F turn, put it in, and there's your F2L pair, okay? And then you can just slot it in to the slot where it belongs, and there's part of your F2L done. Again, as I keep forgetting to tell you, and then doing it at the last minute, if the rest of your F2L is done, and you need to get it in there, to do this, again, you put the corner opposite to where it goes, but to the other side. If you were to put it there, you need it in there, and you were to flip that down, you wouldn't be able to get it in there. So, instead, you put it to the other side, because it needs to go there, flip it down, put that there, there's your F2L pair. Okay? So it's basically just opposites. Where the F2L cases originally don't work, the first ones, you just have to opposite it, and that's pretty simple. That's all there is to it. The Fridrich F2L method is what most of the fastest speed cubers in the world use, so even though it can be a pain in the ass and doesn't always go your way, it is definitely worthwhile learning it, because whereas normally you would take a long time to solve the F2L, the first two layers, by doing it with this method, you can do it a hell of a lot quicker. Using the cases I've just shown you, there's your F2L. Next and final F2L case. Take a looky here. I'm sure you guessed what the final F2L case is. Okay? Where this right sticker is facing us again, but the two colours on the top are the same like before, and before we had to make it opposite, so here again we have to make it opposite. So just like before, we hide it away. Okay, that's gonna fuck that F2L pair up. We hide it away, bring it up, and there's our F2L pair, which is easily insertable. I'm just going to quickly show you how to hide it, like before, because if you've solved all of your F2L, like I've solved 2, if I was just to hide it, to put this in there, it would mess up this F2L case. So basically what we do is, again, we put it opposite but to the other side, whereas before we went like that to get it into that slot. We want it in this slot, so we put it there. We take it away to the other side, take it down, flip that around and bring it up, and there's our F2L pair. And it's really that simple. Those are the F2L cases you're going to need to do the beginner F2L. There is websites which show every single possible F2L case. To be honest, I'm not going to learn them all, because I think with that method you could get quick enough to be able to notice them quickly. And to be honest, I think I don't know, I just don't really agree with learning so many cases. I mean, at the moment I'm trying to learn 2-look PLL and 2-look OLL. I'm learning all of the cases. Okay, I have like no time to say this, but with those cases you should be able to solve your F2L. I have no space on my memory card, so please rate and subscribe. Watch my other tutorials. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.